Tutorial of my Create a Skull line work sheet that I have available. If you guys bought one of these, thank you. I appreciate it. If you haven't, you can check out tylernicholasart.com and you can buy this Procreate file.
Oh shit. I turned the TV off and it's dark over here. What are you doing?
Are you done?
No, I didn't even start. It's still recording. Told you were going to be in it.
No.
My honey doesn't want to be in my video. Can you say hi at least?
Hi.
She said hi. Hey, listen, this is going to be a, it's going to be an unboxing. And whenever you see this sign on a box, you know it's going to be a good time, okay? So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, again, this is going to be a quick one. Reciprocating saw. It comes in a case. How fucking cool is that? Look at this. Got my safety glasses. An extra battery. I got some women's small gloves. The fuck? And there we go. That's all we need to create havoc. There's the blade. This is going to help me because you haven't seen this yet, but here's a sneak peek of what my honey and I are doing right now. Watch this. This is what we are doing. Next thing, oscillating tool. Look at that. Comes in a case. Here's the tool. Okay. Then it's got a bag full of, it's got all your different blades. So that's cool. And then my third thing, most important, glass gloves, they're called. Okay, I got my glass gloves. Here they are. These are awesome. XL, so they run low. If anything, I would get a double XL. Ah, yeah. Those are OJ gloves.
Good night. And always remember, that's